Hello, you beautiful people. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Don't know what that was all about. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today we're going to do an unboxing of these two. Oh my god, I can't pick them up. Bad boys right here. These are the Revolution Skincare 12 Days of Masking and 12 Days of Indulgence Advent Calendars. So let's just get straight into it. So both of these Advent Calendars retail for £28 each, but they both have different values in them. So the 12 Days of Masking is worth £47 and obviously it retails for £25. And then the other one, which is the 12 Days of Indulgence, is worth £38 and it retails for £25. Of course, you can use my discount code if you live in the UK, US or Australia. Don't know why that came out funny. And you can get 20% off if you use the code LuceStephenson. It's on the screen right now. It's always in the description down below. I don't make any money from it. It helps you to save some money. The more we use it, the more they'll keep renewing it for us. So please use it if you can. So let's just get straight into it. The 12 Days of Masking is the Sheet Mask Advent Calendar, and then the 12 Days of Indulgence is the Total Body Mask Advent Calendar. So I thought I'd just do them both in one video. This is such like a different calendar. So it has like this little drawer that you take off. Well, it's like a little slot, isn't it? And you just basically remove it like that. And then it has like day 1, day 2, and obviously as you pull it out, it drops down and it gives you the next one. I feel like it's a bit like it's like going to like the seaside and doing like a little game. And it looks like this one is the exact same. Yeah, so it's the exact same, but it just has, obviously that box and some of the boxes might be bigger. So that's why it's got like a bigger opening. So I think I'm going to go in with let's go in with the body mask one. I feel like it's going to be a little bit naughty. So let's go in with this one. So let's go in with day 1. Okay, it was a bit hard to like get the first one out, but we are, oh my god, on a roll. Door number 1. This is so different, isn't it? So different. And what you could do as well is you could keep like adding this, like, because obviously these are all like reusable little boxes. You could keep putting like face masks in this and just continue this like throughout the year as well, which I thought would be really cute. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that we have is a peel-off mask. This is the Revolution pomegranate peel-off mask. And this is meant to be conditioning. It's just what it looks like. I can't find this on the website, so I'm guessing maybe that it's like just exclusive to this advent calendar. And just to kind of work out price-wise, each of the doors are worth £2 and 8p. So yeah, £2 for a face mask. I'm really happy with that. Moving on to day 2, I will say I am struggling to like get it out of the advent calendar. Okay, I don't know if I've been doing this wrong, whether it's not meant to be like that, but if you lay it down like this, they're so easy to take out. So I don't know if I've been doing that wrong. But anyways, embarrassing. Moving on to day number 2. Ooh, oh my god, it's purple. I love purple. So we have like a little like headband when you are putting your face mask on to keep your hair out of the way. I did wonder why number 2 was so big. Moving on to day 3, yeah, it's so much easier to take out. Just lay it flat. Ooh, okay, so day 3 is a purple mask applicator, which just looks like this. These are really good when you don't want to get it like all over. Am I going to have fluff all over my face? I didn't have fluff all over my face. I had the tiniest drop that stuck to my eyelash, and that's why I could see it. Moving on to day number 4. I think this is another sheet mask. Yeah, so we have the vitamin C peel off mask. Again, a conditioning one. Just for like the headband, I'm happy to pay like £2 odd for that. For this, I feel like you could get these for like £1, but this isn't like, you know, that plasticky material that you get. I have one in my drawer and sometimes it hurts when you apply it. This is like a soft, like bendy, like silicone one. So it's not just like a really, really cheap one. But I'm guessing you probably could get them a little bit cheaper anyways. But yeah, moving on to day number 5. Ooh, okay, so we have a cream mask. This is the aloe vera soothing cream mask. Ooh, I could have done with this last week when I was having an allergic reaction to get my hair done. But yeah, that was an exciting one for that day. Moving on to day 6. Oh, we have a hair mask. This is the jojoba, is that how you say that? Nourishing hair mask. My hair is like starting to go a little bit like unlooked after again, so I need to start looking after it properly. Moving on to day number 7. Oh my god, this is so much easier to open when it's on its side. Oh, we have another hair mask. This is the, is it shea butter? Oh. Somebody told me how to pronounce this properly and I can't remember, but that is what that one looks like. A nice conditioning hair mask. So the last one was nourishing, that one's conditioning. And then for day number 8, we have a olive sheet mask, a nourishing, biodegradable, cruelty-free and vegan sheet mask. Okay, that's what that one looks like. Olive is like a random, isn't it? Okay then. And then we have day number 9, which is another sheet mask. This is ginseng, which is a moisturising, again, biodegradable again, which we love, just looks like that. And then for day number 10, we have another sheet mask. This is the Peach Refreshing sheet mask, which just looks like this. I just think this was going to have like a bum mask or like a boob mask in it. I didn't think it was just going to be like hair and face. So if you are somebody who just wants like hair and face ones, this is actually a really good one to get. But if you were looking for ones that had like, that's why I thought it was going to be a little bit rude, but I think that's more like I Heart Revolution, isn't it? So probably why, to be fair. So we have a carrot. Oh my god, a carrot sheet mask. I've never tried a carrot one before, which is meant to be cooling. And then last but not least, for day number 12. Oh my god, I got the hiccups. Oh, this one's a big one. Oh, I am very, very happy about this. And this kind of fits in with a whole body mask thing. So this is the heel mask, moisturising heel mask, it just says. Leave on for 60 minutes, remove and rinse with water. I am so excited to try this. If you're in my Patreon, you know that I recently bought like a file for my feet. So I'm definitely going to be trying that. So that is everything that is in the 12 Days of Indulgence Advent Calendar. Now let's move on to the other one. So let's do a quick little recap on that one. So we have a heel mask, we have sheet mask, sheet mask, sheet mask, sheet mask, hair mask, a cream mask, and then 2 peel off masks. We have a headband and then also a little like face mask applicator. I think for £25, I think that's really, really good, you know. Face masks these days are so expensive. Like £6 to £8 sometimes, some of them. Obviously you can get like more affordable ones, but normally like they are really expensive. So to get that many masks and obviously the little accessories as well for 25 quid. And then obviously if you use my discount code, you'll get an extra, what, like 5 off as well. Yeah, you get it for 20 quid, absolutely banging. Really, really happy with that. And now let's move on to this bad boy, and I'm not going to make the same mistake that I did with the other box, and I'm going to actually lay this one down flat, and it's so much easier to get stuff out. Anyways, moving on, so we have day number 1, which is a hyaluronic acid sheet mask. This is a hydrating sheet mask, which is like this. We didn't have this in the other one. Ooh, number 2 is a bigger one. Just looks like this. And obviously the same for this one, it's £2 and 8p. Oh my god, what is this? Per door. Oh my god, I was like, what is this? As if you got one of these rollers. These are like normally really expensive to buy. Wow. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. Like you get like a full on little roller, which is meant to be good obviously for like sculpting the face, but it's meant to be nice for you to actually put your mask on, like a sheet mask on, and then roll over it, and it kind of like pushes the serum into your skin more. I cannot believe, like, they're normally so expensive. It feels quite like heavy and like luxury as well, doesn't it, for like a cheap roller? Wow. I wasn't expecting that. I really wasn't. Moving on to day number 3, we have a niacinamide sheet mask. Again, different to what's in the other one. This is a clarifying one, and again, both of them are biodegradable, the sheet masks that I've shown. And then moving on to day number 4, we have another sheet mask. This is the vitamin C glowing sheet mask. Again, no overlap so far, and that one also is biodegradable. Can sort of words out then. Moving on to day number 5. I was making it a lot more difficult for myself then. This is a aloe vera sheet mask, which is again biodegradable, just looks like this, and this one is meant to be for soothing the skin. And then for day 6 we have another sheet mask. This is a salicylic acid one, which is meant to be good for balancing. They're all biodegradable from the looks of it, so I won't say biodegradable anymore. I'll just let you know if it says otherwise. So yeah, this one's meant to be really good for balancing out the skin. Oh, for day number 7, we have a pineapple sheet mask, which is for glowing. Next up we have a coconut one, which is meant to be for moisturising, which just looks like this. Day number 9 is a cucumber one. So again, we haven't had any overlap so far between the 4 sheet masks that we got on the other one and all of the sheet masks that are in this one. So this one's meant to be really good for cooling. Day number 10. Ooh, day number 10 is a different one. This is the vegan collagen lip mask, which is meant to be moisturising. For day number 11, we have, ooh, a hair mask. This is the, oh no, it's not, it's a hand mask. This is a peach hand mask for softer hands. I would have expected this to be in the other one as opposed to this one. We have day number 12. Ooh, which again is something different. This is the cucumber under eye patches, and these are meant to be for cooling. And my under eyes are always really, really dry, so I will definitely get my use out of them. But yeah, that's everything that is in both advent calendars. I'll do like a quick little roundup of what was in that second one. So obviously we have the under eye patches hand mask, we have a lip mask, and then we have the rest are sheet masks apart from the fancy tool that we got, which is unbelievable. But for sheet masks we have cucumber, coconut, the salicylic acid one, aloe vera, pineapple, vitamin C, niacinamide, and then hyaluronic acid. Whereas in the other advent calendar, the sheet masks that we got were olive, ginseng? Anyways, peach and carrot. So yeah, no overlap at all in any of them. Not even like the tools or anything. But yeah, if you're really into skincare, this is going to be the advent calendar for you, and you could get both if you wanted to, if you were really into it, if you could afford it. You could get both because there isn't any overlap between the two. But yeah, don't forget to use obviously my discount code so you can save some money. But I'd like to know what you think down below. I'm actually like really impressed by this. And skincare is like just not my thing. It bores me. But masks and stuff I think are really cool, and I'm just buzzing about this as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in a brand new video tomorrow. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.